Hello guys, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a new simple boomerang paper airplane. This is my new design and I created it based on the classic dark. So if you question about the origin of the planes, look at the traditional classic dark. You will see some similarity, but this one is totally different in terms of flying because it's a boomerang plane and it's designed to boomerang. Alright? So to make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, use A4 paper, trim it down to US letter size ratio. And today I will use the bond folder to help me to fold the paper airplane. Now let's start. So first step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Then unfold the paper. Next step, let's start from this edge, from both sides. Fold both sides to the center crease. So just fold slowly until you match both sides to the center crease. And you can press the paper down and then fold this down. Alright, repeat the same fold for the other side. Very simple, right? So press it down. Press it down. Next step, let's start from this tip, fold straight to this edge. Here we go. Perfect. Alright, and then unfold the paper. On the following step, let's start from this edge, match this edge to the crease that you just make. Alright, so adjust the paper for both sides. Here we go. So this is what you should have. Let's take a look at this corner. It should match to the other crease. Let me hold it up and show you. Match this corner to this crease. Same thing for this side. Now let's press the paper down and then okay, one side and the other side. Now it's look perfect. I will turn the paper this way. And now we start from this upper edge, fold both sides to the center crease. One side first, and then the next side. Alright. You need to make sure that both sides are even, okay? Look at this, they are even. And now press down the paper. Very simple. On the following step, let's fold this part of the paper up to hold both sides of the paper together. So fold up and then I just press this paper down. Next, flip the paper over and fold it in half. Let me fix this first. And then fold the paper in half. On the following step, let's start from this edge. You see this edge right here. There's an intersection between this crease and the edge. That should be a preference first to fold. And the next preference is this corner where the intersection of this edge and the other edge. So let's make a fold. I can hold right here first. You can see how I hold it. I make a just a preference and then I can fold the paper. Very simple. And then I flip the paper over. Repeat the same fold for this side. Let's match this edge to the other edge of the paper. Alright, so adjust a little bit. Let me make sure that both sides are even, okay? Now, at the end of the paper, let's fold this side of the paper up to create the elevators. It is also the stabilizer. So I will fold this side up and estimate about half an inch or 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so I put up just a little bit along this edge. Use this to press the paper, and then I flip the paper over repeat the same fold for the other side. Now I have the other edge as a reference. I can fold this size of the wing up to create the stabilizer. So just fold up and adjust it. Okay, here we go. This is awesome. The paper airplane is almost finished. Let me flip the paper over and then open the stabilizer. Make sure that it's perpendicular with the wings. Same thing for this side. And then at the end of the wings, I will create a small pinch elevator for this side and then the other side as well. Okay, here we go. And here you go. To throw this paper airplane, if you want it to come back to you, you have to tilt it just a little bit and then throw it to the direction that you want it to come back to you. So tilt it a little bit, point at angle at 35 degrees and throw it toward the direction you want it to come back. For an example, if you want it to come back to the left, you have to hold it like this and then throw it to the left a little bit and it's come back to you. Or if you want it to come back to the right, tilt it to the right a little bit and then make a throw. And here you go. This is the new awesome boomerang paper airplane. I hope you guys will enjoy making this paper airplane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And look up on the bell button. Click on that for the new video in 2019. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an ultimate paper bird. This is my newest design and I'm very happy to share with you my favorite design here. This plays very well and I hope you guys will enjoy